Guys, you have witnessed how I make sweet potato with honey pepper. Honey get absorbed 25%. It get absorbed in the sweet potato. It makes it more delicious. This is the perfect example for it. And you have to bake these sweet potatoes at 400 degrees for 1 hour. Check this out, okay? This thing will be a shell for itself. And this is your, it's so hot I can't even try it right now, but I just want to tell you guys, it's super soft and mushy at the same time. And what do you call, this is all natural, you know? Oh wow. Honey do add a little bit on the top layer. It does add a little bit of flavor to your sweet potato. Do try this recipe, very easy to make, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Try your sweet potatoes with some honey and black pepper right on top. Bake it for 1 hour at 400 Fahrenheit. You'll be amazed by this great recipe. Oh wow, yum, super healthy. Let me show you another one. So if you guys think this is a little bit dry, check this out, okay? I'm just pushing the spoon in, and here you go. And here you go. Check this. It's just dry from the top, but inside, we all know how sweet potato is. Oh yeah, delicious. The sweet dish or dessert for your healthy meal is this: steamingly hot sweet potato with honey and black pepper touch to it. Anyway, see you soon. Bye bye for now. So this is our shell for it. It's all natural, you know. Hold the sweet potato from the top and just take out here. You don't have to eat this part, just eat the inside.